Hello everyone, I am Mohammed, founder at WP Power Suite. In this video, I will show you how to organize your WordPress admin menu with Admin Menu Organizer in WP Power Suite. As you install more plugins, the WordPress sidebar can become very crowded. Important pages are harder to find, and clients often see options they never need. Admin Menu Organizer helps you create a cleaner, more organized dashboard. You can reorder menus, rename items, hide unnecessary options, group related tools, and add your own custom links using a simple drag and drop interface. Let's get started. Open your WordPress dashboard, go to WP Power Suite Modules page, find Admin Menu Organizer module, enable it, and then go to Organizer page. You will see every menu available to your current user. Simply drag and drop items to change their order. Expand any parent menu to organize its submenu items as well. For example, you might move post, pages, and media together, or place WooCommerce, orders, and products at the top for faster access. You can also rename menu items, for example, change post to blocks, or even change media to file library. This only changes the label in the sidebar. It does not affect WordPress functionality. You can you can also replace menu icons using dash icons or image URL. Existing SVG icons remains unless you choose to replace them. Another useful feature is Move Under. It lets you place one top menu beneath another. For example, you can move comments under post to keep related items together. Now let's have a look at visibility settings. You can hide menu items for everyone, selected user roles, or everyone except selected user roles. You can even hide it for individual users by using the built-in search. There are two hiding modes. Soft hide places hidden items under the show all option, allowing users to reveal them when needed. Hard hide removes items completely from the sidebar. Remember, hiding a menu does not change WordPress permission. User capabilities still control access to the actual pages. You can also create your own custom menu link. Add a title, enter a WordPress admin URL or external URL. Choose an icon and decide who can see it. For example, you can link to documentation, training videos, support portals, or internal dashboards. Custom links can also be placed beneath existing menus for better visibility. To make long menus easier to scan, you can insert visual separators. You can insert visual separators between groups such as content, WooCommerce, marketing, or website setting. When you are finished, click Save Changes to save your preference. Your customized menu is instantly applied to the WordPress dashboard. You can refresh the organizer to confirm everything was saved correctly. Admin Menu Organizer also preserves original menu links, notification pages, and detects new menu items added by future plugins so your existing layout stays intact. If you ever want to return to the default WordPress menu, simply click Restore Default. With Admin Menu Organizer, you can organize menus, rename labels, hide unnecessary options, group related tools, add custom links, and create a cleaner dashboard for yourself or your clients. Admin Menu Organizer is available as a pro module in WP Power Suite. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.